Nang prolog yang sabay pi ka multi action of Jantia channels. The gamma kanya bikin mo pi ka kini ka class ko the depth with the tai na ka biology man ko na chapter 1 man ko life process man ko kam ka revision note wo dewa chingi patai hakti no ihi kri penar Kam kata nutrition, nutrition, atrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, saprophytic, and parasitic nutrition. Elementary canals how berul urat itu ke organs, glands, ke enzyme function develop. Dah bentuk sekian uji kelamin Jepang yang ke respiration. Kini ke respiration, apa opere kata kejipan Herman Sin, wa respiration oste. Ambil kata orang kita, mereka link orang waga breathing, waga respiration. Then rai kini ke respiration man ko kam ka chemical process. Kata orang ka breathing, wa ibridi, wa ipinher mesini, wa orno mesini. Kata orang ka breathing man ko kam mechanical process. Udah wa tiarap yang kini ka make padang Dengan respiration man ko kam kini ka reaction kawa le haka bormet tissue ki cell ki yang akan beru dan haka merat di jantung. The process by which digest food is broken down with the help of oxygen to release energy. The process by tempat bahaya ketimbang. You pinang ka biology ni ka science ka mandai na lor ki wakian ki atom na ki tu ki compound la si kian na compound ta warang embe yang wakian ki element ki atom na ki atom po ki tu sub atom na mkt ki new how atom ni je wa mk mb kan je kan ion ki ion kan ki positive negative charge kita TM ki na ken te hagen ni man ko ka respiration da man ko kunte yi bau chin bata ki wakian bahaga te ka khian ha you de you de kama te ang de ka respiration de wi rap yang ni ka oxygen you utaliat de kita ki chimbam you bahau taliat kita ki chimbam kam da bam mi mentu da bam ni dom rap no bru la da bam ki chimbam the line of it ki ni cells tissue na nga tang digest sa digest bah ko kenang de wi rap ka oxygen kenang yo ye ka energy release no ko energy wi rap ko to mi no ko ya ka bor Itu ang respiration. Kemudian hamaling can mention ya oxygen. Oxygen is very important. What other type in nutrition respiration man kami? Aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Then ini ka aerobic ka take place ko hawa chin kayi ko cinta hawa oxygen. Kata ka anaerobic man absent oxygen, but present oxygen, absent oxygen. And product one carbon dioxide and water, and product one ethanol and carbon dioxide. But carbon dioxide we refer to ethanol and water. Water to MK nika aerobic man go present kata oxygen ang water. Satu lagi mana MK carbon sen lah, mana MK dan ne bahag Tapi oxygen lah macam oxygen dan bahag ke Tentu lah. Mana lah oxygen kam ka example tu Kementerian carbon dioxide itu mina dem tan on the watching arrow kuit teman ko ni oxygen man ko wa best man watching arrow kuit te ni carbon dioxide man absent oxygen lagi win ke gas man ke mem kuit ha te ten wa ke no win product se end product mut ki product ko kuit ko yo ina na kata ka process wa yo ina kata ka aerobic respiration na kata ka anaerobic respiration the more energy release less energy release. They take place ka cytoplasm wa kata mitochondria takes place ko ha cytoplasm. Complex oxidation of glucose take place incomplete complete occurs in organism it occurs into the tuan run tam thol to san la do yo bun mak se ti tharai ar li mak sa the equation one na ni u ya equation am kam ha na ka glucose hetala glucose pai ma kaliya glucose pyruvate waging a parasite carbon dioxide plus water and ethanol plus water plus energy but ini waging a parasite ini ka water dm carbon dioxide mar ju ka kini ka kini water plus energy ethanol le water wa kini ka carbon dioxide ini one by the haki muscle cell one pair glucose pyruvate into lactic acid plus into the energy. How ethanol work water and carbon dioxide plus water, lactic acid plus energy. So some common features, key features, key organs, you are chemical respiration, you go take place, you go chimbenta, locum ticama, example, to lada tin yung ubam, tin in the common ubam. The key respiratory organs, ki organs, ki kinjamet, lada kini respiration hayu chongbi. Example ilam human sem hayu chong. The kini ka process yang respiration chimbenta ko ha kita ki organs, ha kata ka met, lada ki kian namo ki he namo, lada ki hewan ni wanita lada iwa tuit na nego skele, chimbenta ko ha kite. So a large surface area man for greater rate of diffusion respiratory gas man for rate but in a large man greater large heavy greater then it one thin permeable wall haki thin permeable walls akan sama ke jing thong kita ki walls on the cell wall na benda to tangga to well cell to ensure be AC diffusion to what katakan diffusion take place called exchange ke gases. Utility chemical diffusion would go on the movement of the substance of the molecule from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Kata ang definition itu would go on jing ki kita ki substance na kata kan jing he concentration sa kata ka lower concentration. The yipi ang ngai jing concentration na. Concentration man ko opposite word yang ka dilution. Example mentu nuksa lada imtu di chai chimi arli khuri teman bu arli khuri tawi te khuri bu chi bun gi chini tang ko wi man bu ko wi khuri kejak chini teman the umi man the chai te ke ko wi khuri thiang ba ga te ko wi khuri no man nem thiang re ga ke te ko bun pha kita ki ka solvent kejak ga no te man kejak ta ko na bun hori ka ta ka kita je substance kita ke sini kita over concentration man concentrate ba kata ni to dilute the next point gaseous exchange in plant gaseous exchange in animal gaseous exchange yung gite ke gaseous exchange exchanging la ne markel yang na mudla markel yang la makam cenderung ubro exchanging mud dawe inhale ika oxygen dawi ring mesin ke oxygen dawi nok mesin ke carbon dioxide dan kan ke jing thong man chi ki lan nguj lane ring mesin ke carbon dioxide de no de ring nok mesin ke ka oxygen mar opposite mar ya percaya ka kam ubru lane ke amrat wa ubru merwa kimrat man ko warap ya serim ketika gaseous exchange kalwa ke jing thong makna nguji lane ring mesin ni ka oxygen ke jing thong man ring mesin ke carbon dioxide le wa ring mesin ke carbon dioxide khang wa mi ke oxygen khang wa ram em ke jing thong dan no le yo ring mesin le ti daw te em kam how conserve or protect ke jing thong ta man kam ra daw boy ka process lane on ke ke process ka wa lane exam will ask you on what is the process for the gaseous exchange in plant? Definitely, diffusion. Answer man ko diffusion. Direction of diffusion depend on environmental condition. Kani ke direction of diffusion. Kad chani ako kita yung kemarin environmental condition kemarin yang bagi require of the plant jing gawa yang jing thong. The daytime porsi carbon dioxide perdi yang respired UMCAM ya kan ko ya photosynthesis then the oxygen release ka major activity during the day man ko major ba man ko win ki ko he ba ki jin kam yung ka kani ka photosynthesis man ko oxygen is released the night time only the respiration takes place, therefore only carbon dioxide is released, which is the major activity during the night. To daytime carbon dioxide given out, during the respiration is used for photosynthesis. Therefore, oxygen is released with the major activity during the daytime. The day. Night only the respiration takes place. Therefore, the only carbon dioxide is released. Is the major activity during the night. The gaseous exchange in animal. Terrestrial animal ki merat ki im sakilum ki wa ki aquatic animal man ki merat ki im man sakitai ki kamcha ka duriau ki lake ki pung kabute sakiri war sakwa. Again, one oxygen take place got through from the atmosphere. Satu bayin ka use the common sense ka na ka atmosphere itu na pun bercalum deh. Teman ka atmosphere sebut calum. Tapi ni non ka oxygen one take place ka dissolve ka hakata ka water. Tapi satu bayi aquatic animal in the water, terrestrial animal that is from the atmosphere. The human respiratory system. Menepati haki yang ubru bentuk. The external nostril, nasal cavity, lie into trachea, bronchi, bronchial till the alveoli. The external nostril mod kini ki nostril ki kenja ini di yang kemudong ini external ki wasalai kemudong ini. Ini tepo nasal, ni nasal wa capok kemudi tai ki cavity, lagi kamram itu capok nang kemudong ini nasal cavity. Hadin po na trachea ini do tubes, ang air tubes ne, po nang trachea wan. Tepo bronchi, uni bronchi man emu hakini di lang, uni gitor, kini gitor nanu tor, ina tu bronchi, kian angke ki bronchiol, ibarat langdang kajak, tapi tenuan masuk kiti kiwak hindu angke ki alveoli. The eager question on what is the functional unit of the lungs, that is the alveoli. What is structural and functional of life? That is the cell. Then what is the structural and functional unit of lung? That is the alveoli. Spelling A-L-V-E-O-L-I. So ring of that be the cartilage present in the throat and shape the trachea. I also use not the collapse when there is no. High exam you ask, what is the role of that be the ring of the cartilage? Unu role on the cartilage. Nang wa em honu throat penu throat nu trachea nu wa ngui mesin ni ong masernut nya tenau ni man ensure mon ya nang wa katai ke laj ini ki ring kan ki ring ki langdong kan tu te nang wa ya rabu na benta kita ki tiu penu air tiu ki trachea nang throat ni nang laju collapse laju bisnap ne nang yo kale air bau lai ite ong ni ring the role yang ring of the cartilage. The lungs present in the thorax of the cavity. Where is yiki one kan kini ki object question and kan ki choose. The lungs is present in the thorax cavity in many cavity. The lungs inside man go a thoracic cavity. They are spongy. What are the structure of the nature of the lungs? That is the spongy, the elastic bag consisting of bronchi, bronchiole, and alveoli. Jadi ni manku spongy pa manku wajam mantu man spau ne kam spong man spongy elastic bag manku elastic manku wa rap man elasa ka muna wa ile man kamte ile wa man kene shorang o am just spongy and elastic bag wa em kini ki bronchi bronchiole wa kini ki alveoli. Respiration occur in a two phase. Then how many phases that be the respiration occur? That in two phases, the external man ko internal. Yes. The external man ko tune api ka yang breathing in which is be the mechanical process. Internal the cellular respiration. Then api ka respiration. There will either be breathing external here inhale and exhale. Wa nak mesin ni wa penhiar ni mesin ni te kata orang kata external dan ni ke internal one where em so office in the office ke sel la na ke sel nang bun kita ke sel wat to pet improve kita ji chumbang to yo bor yo ji kita ka respiration in the mouth. The mechanism of breathing is included inhalation and exhalation. Every simple exchange of the gases that been a unicellular organism by diffusion. Animals when as body size is large, diffusion alone is not enough. Na kini ki animals na duka ya. Then sorry friend. Then yo ni PIQ berat duka ni diffusion. After our movement of the molecule from the higher concentration to lower concentration duka. Also ki unicellular man ki unicellular man ki organism ki only one type of cell. Only one type of cell. Then the respiratory pigment also required. And respiratory pigment in human being is the hemoglobin, which is present in a red blood corpuscle. It has very high affinity for oxygen. Carbon dioxide is more soluble in the water than oxygen, so it can dissolve blood into that and is the transport. Itu ni ki one touch of the cell man ki by diffusion is enough. To biang to diffusion no. To man ko simple ke diffusion. Just na wala ya kata ka ki substance higher concentration to lower concentration. Now lower concentration. Mut ni tem lagi now kita tahu dua higher concentration lower concentration. The gamma body is large in the type. The respiratory pigment also required. Respiratory pigment in human being is the hemoglobin. Then we give question what is hemoglobin, which is present in a red blood corpuscle. Hemoglobin. It is very high affinity for oxygen. Carbon dioxide. When you get carbon dioxide, can more soluble mood. Sangka more smart soluble. Smart bahako clear waga water banyaga oxygen. Then they can dissolve in blood and gases in the transport. The kuble prolog wa the review part ini ka jumpai ini kita kaju. The kami gawa engkam to nangkong ngau bahau prepare lene ukreda ya in na ka textbook kawa ada pasal ka embus hadin timan the eman ki ini man ke kan tang ki jingara be we pi kamanjaju kino notes mano ha in a simple way lene simple manner man ki tang kerja untuk dua pun the ini ada mentu kesini dia ka respiration the where aja na kita ki definition ki origin ki organs or hadu human being. The next class will continue in the transportation. Key can transportation. Talking about the log continue. Share and like, subscribe. You can enjoy videos. Now we have you pun ya kim. Jurang ban lene ki notes lene ki jembatai. Hekti nobi hekti benar.